everyone. Today, let me explain the sound spectrum in a simple and practical way. In this video, we will cover audible sound or audio frequency range, ultrasound, and infrasound. So first is the audible range or audio frequency range. For your information, humans can hear frequencies between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. This includes sounds like human speech, music, bird chirping, a meowing cat, or a barking dog, everything we hear in daily life. Next is ultrasound, which is above 20 kHz and not audible to humans. In medicine, we use ultrasound to image internal organs, assess blood flow, and monitor fetal development safely. In nature, bats use ultrasound for echolocation to navigate and hunt, and some insects communicate using ultrasonic sound beyond our hearing. Ultrasound is also widely used in industry, for example in ship hull and aircraft inspection, where it helps detect internal cracks and defects without damaging the structure. And finally, infrasound, which is below 20 Hz. Humans usually cannot hear it unless it is very intense. However, animals like elephants use infrasound to communicate over long distances, and whales use low-frequency sounds across oceans. In science, infrasound helps monitor earthquakes and volcanoes and is used to map underground structures such as rock and petroleum formations. So sound extends far beyond what we can hear, and it plays an important role in both medicine, nature, and industry. Follow this channel for more simple ultrasound explanations. Bye!